Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinma. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are doing great. So once in a while I just love to change a few things in my house. I love to swap some bits and get some new bits to make everywhere look gorgeous and presentable, just where I like it. I like to make a house a home. Wilko is one of my favorite high street shops. Apart from IKEA for homeware, I love going to Wilko for homeware. So they had a lot of stuff. In fact, I wanted to get a green plant. You know those green plants that are like palms, like the leaves are thin. And I also wanted to get a cheese plant, but at the store they didn't have those plants, and I really need those plants because I'm trying to style this part of my living room with a green plant. For now I'm using my vase for now, but I need something different. I need something taller, I need something greener, and I will go to Wilko's again and try to find it. I hope they will have it the next time I go there. So I got some cushions, and I also got some, you know, pajama sets from Primark, and I will just show you guys every single thing that I got. So first off, I got this cushion from Wilko. This is just a grey cushion. I love grey anyway, so when I saw it I was like, yes, that's the one I want. So I got this grey cushion. It's got like this kind of hairy, fluffy kind of, you know, vibe to it. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like hairy, and it's really soft and lovely. So I got this one from Wilko, and I liked it because I tried some in some different shops. I went to Primark and I saw something like this, but it was shedding, like the hair was shedding, and I didn't want anything to just be useless in my house, you know, just be a waste of, you know, time and money and everything. So I didn't get that one from Primark because it was shedding. But I got this one from Wilko, and I really like this one. Like, this one is just so soft, and it's just cuddly and lovely, and it doesn't shed. Like, it doesn't shed. I've been pulling it all day and it doesn't shed. And then it's got this kind of suede, you know, velvet. Is it suede or velvet? I'm not even sure what it is, but it's got this kind of suede, you know, back. So you could either put the cushion like this or like this, any which way you like, really. It's a really lovely cushion, and one thing I love about Wilko is that Wilko is really affordable. Their stuff is not so expensive. Their stuff is really of a good price, good bargain. You could get like a truckload of bargain at Wilko. I'm sorry for the change of lighting. It's autumn, so the sun has just gone under the cloud right now, so in case you guys notice any change of lighting, that's the reason why. So next product I have is this cushion. This one I got from Wilko as well. I just love the rose gold detail on it. It's got hearts on it, and it just looks really lovely. I love the color as well, so I think it will go well on my sofa. So that one from Wilko, I think it's nice. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So next up, I got another cushion. Yes, yet another cushion. I just decided to change like the look of my sofa and just try to add a bit more cushions, because I had just 4 cushions that looked alike. So I thought maybe I would get different colors of cushions and, you know, different styles and textures. So this one, I got this one from Wilko. Why I got it was because of the button on it. I just like the way it has this like really like modern, you know, vintage cushion. I don't know what to call it really, but it really looks cute. Next up, I got this for my bedroom. This is just a lovely round cushion. I love it. I got it for my bedroom, so I'm going to add some cushions to my bedroom, and just to make my bedroom look a bit, you know, more modern and more stylish. So this one I got it from Asda. I think it's really cute, and I love the color as well. It's got like this kind of, you know, purple color, but it's really lovely. I really like this one. So the next item I got is this cushion. This one I got it from Asda as well. Yes, I got yet another cushion. I went cushion mad this time because I really love cushions. They add a bit of style to a home, as I think. So this one is from Asda. It's just a little cute cushion. It's got this kind of burnt orange at the back, and then this kind of navy blue bear riding a bicycle design in the front. But it's really cute. It's really cute. you can never really have enough cushions in your bed, so the more the merrier. Next item is this one. This one is just a picture frame, so you can either put pictures on it or you could put like posters on it. So I've got like a pack of posters, like different posters, different words and stuff, and I was really looking for a very lovely frame to, you know, put on my wall, and I think this one just works best for me. So it's got pins here that I could actually pin my posters on, and I think it would really look nice on my wall, and it would make my wall, you know, a bit more stylish, if you say. Another frame I got is this one. I want to add more pictures on my wall, so I've got this frame for a different poster that I have. So this one is just a 16 by 12 inch frame, so it's going to be perfect for my living room. Next I got this bath mat. This one I got it for my bathroom because the bathtub is usually cold, especially during the winter time. It gets really cold from the whole cold air and everything. So I got this one for my bathroom. This one, well, my kids will really love this one because they always shiver when the bathtub is really cold. So this one is just something simple, plain, and I think I like it. Just a square shaped bath mat. Perfect. This is just a robe I got from Primark. Primarks really have some really nice robes at the moment, and I love this one because it's really thick and it will keep me so warm in the winter. I really like this one. And then I also got a pajama set. So this one is just a three-quarter length pajama t-shirt and then trousers. This one is a trouser and just a normal pajama set really. So I just got these for the winter time, you know, and I really love this Primark robe. Like, I can't even stop looking at it. It's grey for once. I love grey, and so this robe just everything that I want in a robe. Ooh. So that's everything I have in my haul video. I hope you guys love it. I love Wilko. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below. Let me know anything and everything. And subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!